Welcome to the February issue of BR7 Baking. Today we are here at the Chislehurst Chiropractic Clinic with the lovely Tara, who has made this delicious salad that she's going to tell us a little bit more about.
This is a really lovely, tasty, healthy salad, quinoa based. It's got some fantastic vegetables like peas and peppers and onions, and it's gluten-free and suitable for vegans and a great option for lunches.
And for those of you who want to be a little bit naughty, we have a really nice cherry, pineapple and coconut cupcake recipe for you as well. But the cherries and the pineapples are also an anti-inflammatory, so you can kind of be good and bad at the same time. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you next week.
Cheers! That is definitely a tasty treat.